Sunset means business.
I'm Clay Young, the Commercial and Fleet Manager at Sunset Ford of Sumner, and I've been with Ford for 13 years now.
You bring some serious experience to the business.
Yeah, I've been at this a long time.
What do you like most about what you do at Sunset?
Helping a business owner pick up their first vehicle, and 3 years later, their 20th. Now that's exciting.
How has the commercial and fleet business changed over the years with Sunset?
I think the biggest difference these days is being able to walk on the lot and find exactly what you're looking for.
So your best advice for a commercial and fleet customer?
If your business is going to need vehicles in the next year or two, it's best to come see me now, and we'll get your order in the order bank.
No one can get your commercial vehicle quicker or for less.
Guaranteed.
Sunset means business.
Hey, come see me.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.